complete finished house and lot located in La Residencia, just 5 minutes away going to Nuvali and Vista Mall. This house might be for you. So this house is sitting in a 150 square meter lot area with a floor area of 220 square meter. At sa likod ko, makikita nyo, it has a provision for 2 parking garage. And here naman sa area, we have an access to a dirty kitchen and to the housekeeper's room. So, pasukin naman natin inside at ipapakita ko sa inyo ang ating modern Asian architecture house. So, let's go! So, upon entry, sasalubong sa atin ang napaka-spacious na living area. You have the option kung paano mo siya i-design, kung saan nyo ilalagay yung inyong sofa or the couch, and also the TV, no? Dito naman, we have this toilet and bath sa ating level 1. And this will be the space for the dining area. Kagandahan dito na maximize talaga yung space. Naglagay sila dito ng additional storage para kung meron kayong mga unwanted stuff na nakatago, this will be the perfect place para ilagay yon. Here in this area, we have this kitchen countertop. And meron na din tayo naka-ready na for range hood. We also have the pantry. And this will be allotted for the laundry area, no? Pero kung gusto niyo maglaba inside, but we also have an access para sa labas for the laundry area as well. So, akitin naman natin ang ating level 2. So, nakikita niyo naman, the stairs is very spacious din. So, here sa ating second floor, we have a 4 bedrooms, also a toilet and bath, and we have the master's bedroom with a walk-in closet. So, pasukin muna natin ang ating master's bedroom. So, this will be the master's bedroom. Kagandahan dito, it also has a balcony kung saan in-extend natin ito hanggang dito sa may side. Kagandahan dito, naging cover na yung parking area. So, yung sasakyan natin is hindi na siya maaarawan. And this will be the walk-in closet for the master's bedroom. And the toilet and bath. So, pasukan naman natin yung bedroom 2. Here sa ating bedroom 2, no, it also comes with the toilet and bath inside na. Meron na din siyang provision for cabinet. So, let's go to bedroom 3. This is the bedroom 3. It also has a cabinet na din. And the bedroom 4. And one thing I like about it, it also has a common toilet and bath here sa taas. So, if you're looking for a house and lot, complete finish, just 5 minutes away sa Nuvali, baka ito na ang house and lot na para sa'yo. By the way, this is Jen of Elite Properties, at kung gusto mo makita ang actual property at malaman pa ang ibang details about this house and lot, you can message me sa mga number flash on the screen and see you this weekend.